So over here, you can see that I have a Google Sheet, and let's say you want to present this on a Google Meet meeting. So in order to do that, you can go around over here on the top right hand side, and here you can see that it has an option to present to a meeting. But for that, you need to present using a meeting code. And to do that, I'm going to go around and open up a new tab, and I'm going to type in meet.google.com to create an instant meeting right here. If you want to learn more about Google Meet, you can take a look at my playlist where I have a detailed lesson on how to use Google Meet as well. So there you go, there's Google Meet. I'm just going to go around right here. And here you can see that under meeting details, you got this URL right here. So I'm just going to go around and copy out this code right here. And on my Google Sheet, I'm going to go around and click on present to a meeting. And over here, it says present this tab to a meeting right here. You can also go around and present using a meeting code. So you can paste out the meeting code right here and click on continue. So once you do that, what happens is that it goes on to that particular area right here. And if the Meet tab is open, it detects the meeting as well. So you can present the tab to the meeting. So I'm just going to click here and click on present tab to meeting. And now let's see what happens. So it says choose what you want to share. So you can simply select out the tab, click on share right here. And now you can see that it is being presented. And on the other side, there you go. Your Google's sheet is being shared out over here on Google Meet. So just like that, you can go around and then stop presenting tab right here. And you also have an option to turn on or off the presentation audio. So I'm just going to stop present tab right here, and there you go, the presentation is not there anymore. And that is how you can use the present to a meeting option inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.